Acrylic basics, one bead method. So you're going to start by picking up quite a large bead. These are probably about a medium long kind of salon length nail. And basically you want to place it just below the cuticle. You want to tuck it into the cuticle and then gently pattern press it down the nail. You don't want to mess about with it too much because you can get bubbles in it. But if you'll see there, I'm just doing a really feather-like touch, hardly moving it and just kind of easing it into place. So here we go, I've picked up quite a large bead, so I've got quite a lot of monomer in my brush, and I've done the 3 bounce method. Then I'm placing that on just before the cuticle and just kind of guiding it down, and I'm using gravity here, so tilt that finger down, it's so important. While I do have you as well, if you are enjoying this, please do make sure you give us a follow and a like. We've got new content dropping all the time, and if there's anything else you want to see as part of the acrylics basics, please let me know in the comments. So again, as before, I'm just really gently teasing this towards the tip. I'm flattening it off. I'm trying to get as much shape in while that's mouldable with my brush. You'll see in a moment that I really go in there and just make sure it's nice and flush at the cuticle, and I've got a lot of shape there, so my filing's going to be minimal. Once I'm happy with that, I will go in with the shaping. Now I'm going to do a separate video on shaping just to give you a hand. And also when you're getting rid of any excess acrylic, make sure you're only using your brush. You're not touching that onto your skin or even a gloved hand. I hope that helps. If you've got any questions, let me know in the comments below.